banana syrup, chocolate chips, and pancake. That is the quadfecta. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we are in the beautiful mountains in Boone, North Carolina. We're at one of my favorite places to eat, Troy's 105 Diner. They have some of the best food around, so let's go eat, come on. Now that's what I call the exterior of a classic diner. And when you're waiting in line, you're gonna have all kinds of stuff to look at here in their lobby. Of course, if it's just you or maybe a friend, just take a seat at the bar. So much memorabilia and funny signs on the walls. And look at this menu. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, anything you want to eat, you can find here. Doesn't matter what you're in the mood for. From classic burgers to pancakes, if they're open, you can order it. I got breakfast. Now it is 12:22 on a Saturday. That is classic lunchtime. But we're at a diner that serves breakfast all day long, so I'm getting breakfast. Now I got what's called the Little Cuz. It's a little bit smaller breakfast, but I did that for a reason, and I'm going to tell you why in just a little bit. But it's going to come with 1 egg, 1 biscuit and gravy, 1 piece of sausage, and 1 piece of bacon. I'm going to get a little bit of everything, so it's coming in just a minute.
I got the sweet Pam's flounder with hush puppies and french fries.
Okay guys, my food got here and I'm excited. I'm getting ready to eat that, but I'm moving aside because I want you to see what my wife got. Look at that omelet and those hash browns, extra crispy. Oh, toast. That looks good, but look, this is what I got here. Biscuit gravy, sausage, bacon, and scrambled eggs. That is the classic breakfast right there. Now, I will tell you, we're local to Boone, so we eat here quite often. I know what this food's gonna taste like, so I'm excited to dig in, so I'll be right back with you. I'm here with Connor, and he is actually one of the owners of Troy's 105 Diner here. And tell me a little bit about the history of this restaurant, kind of where it came about and where it is today.
So they put these diners nationwide, obviously, but this building was put in the late 90s. It was a Mel's at first, and it's one of the only few with this extra little side right here, you know.
So it's not just a long straight diner, it's actually an L-shaped diner.
Yeah.
I got a cheeseburger, medium rare with fries, extra crispy. This is the world's best chocolate shake.
A lot of these diners were just the straight. And the reason that they were that way was because when these prefab diners were first made, they were actually made to transport onto a rail car on the site. And so the long skinny diner made it so that they could transport them on rail cars in New Jersey, was where these diners kind of started out. And 95% of the first prefab diners were in New Jersey. So that's actually kind of the home of the prefab diners. So if you didn't know that, fun fact.
Yeah. We definitely get so many people that come from up north because they're like, oh, we have so many of these up here, and we're so happy to find one, you know.
I'm trying to decide here what I want to take a bite of first. I know everything's going to be good, but I think I'm going to start here. I'm going to get a little bit of eggs and a little bit of sausage. It does not get any more American than that. This is just classic American breakfast. This is one of my favorites right here. Biscuit and gravy. Although, we're here in North Carolina. Now, let me tell you this. Where I come from in Arkansas, we call this biscuits and gravy. But when I moved to North Carolina, they call it a gravy biscuit. What do they call it where you live? Tell me in the comments down below. If you could pick one thing off the menu, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, whatever you want to pick, just one thing that you could eat off the menu, what would be your favorite thing?
Gotta go with probably the Spanish omelet, but I like bacon instead of sausage in mine. I just like the spice. A little bit, you know, the hot eggs is good. But another one is the Little Cuz. I mean, that is, when I was in school, I'd come here every day and get the Little Cuz, a little side of hash browns with it.
I got a cowboy burger.
A regular burger with some pulled pork barbecue on top.
Yeah, so the Little Cuz is great because it is just enough food. It's a good price for it, but it's enough food that if you're hungry, you can get the Little Cuz and then still order something extra to go with it. So we might do that here in a little bit. And here's where the magic happens. Oh, I love to be able to watch them cook my food. Don't you feel like you're back in a simpler time? This place is so popular. You come here on a Saturday, there's a line out the front door. You have to wait to get in here to get a seat, and that tells you something.
Sunday's worse.
Yeah, and so if you want to come here to get it, just be ready to wait. But it's worth the wait. If you want to eat some good food at a good price, it's well worth the wait.
I got a cheeseburger and french fries. A hamburger and fries.
Some people 3 times a day, you know, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even dessert 4 times. So they feel like
So they got people that are here like every meal. This is their source for food.
One banana and chocolate chip pancakes.
Awesome. Now this is Maddie. She is our server. She recommended this
I did.
banana and chocolate chip pancake, and I cannot wait to dive into this. So, Maddie, tell me, besides the banana and chocolate chip pancake, what would you say would be your favorite thing here? Absolute favorite.
Oh my gosh, besides the chocolate chip pancake, my favorite lunch item is definitely the Asian chicken sandwich.
The Asian chicken.
With
What
the
comes on
pineapple.
that?
It comes with provolone cheese, lettuce, onion, mayo, and pineapple. Like a slice of pineapple. Super good. And our chicken's marinated in teriyaki sauce, or our house-made teriyaki mixture Asian sauce. Yeah, really, really good. With some onion rings on the side. That's my go-to.
Wow. That sounds pretty fancy.
in between on their way to work and going home, we're like the perfect spot for some people, you know?
I can understand that. The food is so good, and I have had most of the things on the menu, and I can say that everything that I have eaten here has been good. So if you come here, you can't go wrong. You just cannot go wrong. That is all. This place is so good that it has been featured in magazines, it's been featured on the news.
There was a guy on MasterChef who wrote us a really nice review. He got to episode 8 or 9 on season 10. He finished like 4th, but he wrote a really good review about our sausage links and all our breakfast and everything.
I tell you what, that tells you something. If you get that far on the MasterChef show and you write a good review about this place, that tells you something about the food and about how good it is. Okay, guys. Chocolate chip banana pancake. I cannot wait to get a bite of this thing. I don't even think this is gonna need syrup. We got syrup coming, but I'm not waiting on the syrup. Here we go. Here we go. I'm getting a bite of the chocolate chip banana. And look, I'm getting, oh, look at that big old hunk of banana in there. Banana and chocolate chip. Mmm. Oh my. This. I can't wait to put syrup on this, but you could eat this whole thing without syrup. I'm telling you, this thing is good recommendation. Good recommendation. I'm gonna continue eating until the syrup gets here, because I'm telling you, this is good enough to eat without syrup. I gotta get that. I gotta get this other. Here we go. That banana adds just a sweetness in there. And then the chocolate chip, banana chocolate chip is just perfect. A little bit bitter with the chocolate, but you got the sweetness of the banana. The pancake's just a little bit sweet. So, okay, my next bite, I'm waiting until the syrup gets here, so I'll be right back with you. Let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up like if you like what we're doing. It really does help the channel. All right. Now I have syrup. So we're gonna see if this extra layer of syrup is gonna be the extra deal. Okay, I've got banana, syrup, chocolate chips, and pancake. Banana, syrup, chocolate chips, and pancake. That is the quadfecta. That could be the best pancake in the entire world right there. Right there could be the best pancake in the entire world. Wow. Guys, in case you didn't know, Elvis, he's a subscriber to our channel.